So hello guys, you people were asking me for the video sample of the Sjcam 4000 which I got recently, but I didn't I wasn't planning to post this video, but I got lots and lots of DMs for the video sample. I was planning to post a proper vlog, but since you people were asking me, so I have to do it for you. So basically the video will have two parts in it. First I'll post the I'll show you the daylight footage of the camera. After that I'll post the night footage of the camera. So just guys enjoy the video.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find a light in.
Hello guys, as you people seen the footages, the video quality is great in daylight, but night footage encounters slight amount of noise, which you can fix it in your video editor. Like the footage is usable in your vlogs. It's not like it's really like the quality isn't that pathetic. You can use it in your vlogs, and if you do some retouch, then the video will be pretty good. But in daylight, the video quality is fab. The dynamic range of the camera is so fucking great. And if you like the video, guys, then like the video, and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon along the subscribe button, and share it to your friends if someone is planning to buy the Sjcam 4000. Overall, for the price range, the camera is good. Thank you guys. I'll come with some more videos, so stay tuned. Thank you.